Sneaker world, internets, this is a drip projector with a flavor selective and always with that South Carolina perspective. Today, we're currently in 5 Points in Columbia, South Carolina. I got the first lady of the Soda City Sneakerheads behind the camera. This is her sneaker. She's blessing us with a first look, y'all. As y'all can see, it's still packaged up. I'm holding it like this so y'all can't see her address. I normally don't use the freaking Rambo blade, but she brought this through, so we about to get to it. Like, Bape went so crazy. Oh, by the way, this is a Joshua Bape Roadster special box. This ain't that regular degular, y'all. Actual wooden case is so heavy, I don't think we need to pull it all the way out. Y'all, this is the actual bottom of the wooden case. It is insane, y'all. We're not even gonna try to get this out of the shipping box. We just gonna keep it as is. But this is the lid for it. Crazy insane, y'all. Actual wood, y'all. Y'all hear that? Knock on wood. This is insane. Got the Bape spell out. It's emblem on the back. Y'all see the sizing. Also had the Bape head with the art, like drawn out ape head on here. Y'all see the details on the pull out? Like, this is crazy. Alright, we got the dust bag. This just comes with all the goodies, y'all. Like, all the goodies you could think of. Some extra laces. You never know when you want to swap them out, you know? Look, ape head. He went above and beyond on this collab. Individually wrapped. Oh my god. Yo, the smell is crazy, y'all. Are y'all see? Just, y'all, I don't really want to do too much talking. Just bask in the glory of the art, y'all. Like, the first time I seen Joshua work was when he actually did this type of style on the off-white, maybe like 6 years ago, and that's when he got on my radar. He really liked to play with the contrast of the black and white, really make it look like a drawing style artwork. And Bape just took it and put it on the Roadster. It looks absolutely amazing. Shh. Y'all. And so, I can't lie, y'all. I have never owned a Roadster, but this has to be my first pair. I don't care what I got to do. I have to secure this in 2024. The first lady of Soda City Sneakerhead, she gets everything, y'all. I don't know if y'all know that about her, but she touching every pair, and she's getting multiple pairs that she like the shoe. This is art on a sneaker. I mean, y'all see how they went all the way out, y'all. Everything is A1. Everything looks beautiful. These laces, it's almost like, what type of laces are these? It looks like a wax lace, but I can't say it's wax, y'all. Like, it's different. The shoe smells good. Oh my lord. Like, I really wish y'all could really just hold these in hand and see what's going on in person. So until the next episode, but hold on, y'all, I want to show y'all the lady behind the camera. You know what I'm saying? She thought she was gonna get away. What's up? The first lady of Soda City Sneakerhead. She didn't want to get on here, but I had to get on there, man. Y'all, this was so special, man. I had to wear the Bape Tamagotchi today, man, just to bring it all the way home for y'all. But until the next episode, peace and love. Yo, y'all. I tried to capture it for y'all, but woman just passed by twerking to the drums that's going on over here. We cannot make this up. Oh, this is more behind the scenes. We about to go over here and get some beautiful bean footage.